Unscrew the screws and open the device cover. Take out the negative cable harness. Pass through the corresponding hole below, as shown in the video. Tighten the screws to secure the negative cable in the position shown in the video. Take out the positive cable harness. Tighten the screws to secure the positive cable, in the position shown in the video. Open the cover of the energy storage device. Unscrew the gland on the side and pass the cable harness through the hole. Secure the other end of the negative cable harness to the position shown in the video using screws. Screw back in. Repeat the same process. Connect the other end of the positive cable harness to the energy storage system. Screw on the screws to secure it in the position shown in the video. Screw back in. Take out a full pin network cable. Pass the network cable through the gland to connect it to the inverter. Unscrew the cable gland on the side of the energy storage system. Connect the other end of the network cable to the energy storage device at the position shown in the video. Toggle the switch at position 1 on the first connected device upward. Power on the device and ensure all connections are correct. Put the cover back on. Open the cover of the parallel connected energy storage device. Remove the cover. Take out another negative cable harness. Pass one end of it through the cable gland. Connect it to the first energy storage device at the position shown in the video. Screw back in. Pass the other end of the negative cable harness through the cable gland of the second energy storage device. Secure it in place with screws at the position shown in the video for the second energy storage device. Screw back in. Take out another positive cable harness. Use the same method. Secure one end of the positive cable harness to the first energy storage device at the position shown in the video. Connect the other end of the positive cable harness to the position on the second machine as shown in the video. Take another fully pinned network cable. During parallel commissioning, follow the rules as shown in the diagram. Unscrew the cable gland of the first energy storage device and connect one end to the position shown in the video. Unscrew the cable gland of the second device. Connect the other end of the network cable to the position on the second energy storage device as shown in the video. According to the parallel connection rules, toggle the switch marked 2 on the second energy storage device to the on position. Power on the machine. The parallel connection is successful.